Hello po sa lahat. Share ko lang po on how you check the status of your work or assignment sa GC or Google Classroom. If nasubmit na ba o wala pa yung assignment mo. After you log into your GC and get into your class, ito po yung mag-appear. Ito. And we call it stream section. Meron po kasing tatlong sections ang GC. Ito po yung stream, classwork, and people. So, to check the status of your classwork, click mo lang yung classwork section. Dito, makikita mo rin dito yung due dates sa right side. This one today, June 29, and the first one, June 14. Pwede mo din i-click. Yan. Makikita mo nag-turn in ka dito. Tapos, pwede mo rin i-view yung instructions. Pwede mo rin i-view your work. I-click yung view your work. Dito ma-check mo kaagad if nag-turn in ka or wala. So, dito makikita mo po. So, yan. I-click mo lang. Tapos, view details or i-click mo to. Gusto mong makita if meron bang laman, pwede mo i-click. Tapos, back. So, yan. Turn in. Ito late kasi late ako nakapasok sa GC. Okay, that's all po. That's all guys. Sana makatulong tong video to. God bless po sa